Welcome to the demonstration of using SwitchCase in FloData. Watch and learn how using the SwitchCase step in FloData is fast, simple, and requires only a few minutes. Let's begin by creating our flow. We'll enter in a name, a tag name, and a short description. Now, let's open the flow. Under Transformations, we'll grab an Excel input. Open it up, and under File, we'll open the CH folder and add this rating sheet. Hit Add, and then under Sheets, hit Get, and then select Sheet 1. Now hit Get Fields, and you'll see our 3 fields. And here's a preview of the data. Next, let's grab our switch case and connect it to our Excel input. Here, we'll select the case value data type as string and the field to switch as rating. You'll notice for this default target step, and then down below, when we are entering our values and selecting their target step mapping, we are unable to select them. This is because we haven't selected our targets. So, exit out of here, and we will grab 3 modified JavaScripts, and we'll connect them to SwitchCase. Now, let's open the top modified JavaScript, and we'll select this as hot. Under Transformation, we'll make a var, a variable called discount, and we'll set it equal to 200 or 100. We'll get variables, and at the bottom, we'll see our newly created variable. Save this one, and under the second one, call this one cold. And under the transform script, the same thing, we'll create a variable called dis, and we'll set this one equal to 300. And then get variables, and we'll see it at the bottom. The last one we will call default. And under here, we'll set another variable, dis, and we'll set it equal to 300. And we'll get variables, and that'll show up at the bottom. The purpose of SwitchCase is so under our preview of the data, you notice that it was a state followed by a rating and a discount. What we're going to do is, if a field follows a certain rating, it will then go into one of the 3 modified JavaScripts. If the rating is hot, it will go into the hot JavaScript and set that dis variable at 100. If it is cold, it will go into that cold JavaScript, and it will set it at 300. And if it is moderate, then it will simply go into the default, and it will also set it at 300. So we'll simply re-enter in our data from before, string and rating, except this time we'll call the default target step as default, and we'll enter in 2 values, hot, and set it to the target step hot, and cold, same one as cold. And we'll save it. Now, we will add in our write to log, which will display the results. And we will connect all 3 JavaScripts to this one write to log. And now, let's come into our write to log, ensure the log level is at minimal, and get fields. We'll see our 4 fields, state, rating, discount, and dis. We'll save. And now we'll run the flow. The flow has been completed. Let's review the logs. As we can see, where it is hot, we're getting the discount of 100, or the dis of 100. Hot, dis 100. And where we have moderate, If you remember, that goes to the default, so we're getting the 300 dis. And where it's cold, we also set the dis for 300, so that is what we're getting for that as well. Thank you for watching. For more information, send us your queries at info@flodata.io or call us at 209-755-6464.